Hey, social media friends, just want to introduce you to someone very special in our lives, my mom's life, but it is Liz Domingue. Domingue, did I say that right?
Yeah, you did.
I've only known her 25 years. I've been scared to pronounce her last name until I actually asked her how to pronounce it about 45 minutes ago. But Liz has been a family friend. How long have you been hiking with Mom now?
Oh, 20 years at least, I'd say.
So at least 20 years. She owns an awesome company called Just Get Outdoors. And she is the owner. A much more professional title and a lot more credentials than I'm leading on here. Some of your credentials, Liz?
Well, I'm a professional naturalist and photographer and wildlife biologist. That's probably funny.
And you opened up your company when? About 20 years ago?
Oh, I'm in my 24th year.
So 24 years. So her and Mom met about 24 years ago, and she's been hiking, keeping Mom healthy out here on the trails. But if you're looking to explore the Great Smoky Mountain National Park, Liz knows it, every trail like the back of her hand, and puts on and coordinates guided hikes and tours throughout the park, backpacking trips. I know you got some distant backpacking or trips lined up.
Yeah, they're not backpacking, but we're staying lodging in cabins.
So Olympia National Park coming up in July.
Olympic National Park in July, yeah. And that's Olympic is amazing. You get the coast and the high mountains, the high peaks, and also rainforest.
Awesome. And then after that,
North Cascades in August.
North Cascades in August. And then last but not least, Zion.
BRYCE and Zion in September.
Awesome. And I'll put a link to her for her information so you can reach out to her, but definitely reach out. And age demographics anywhere from 18 to 108.
That's right. You can hike and get on the trail, you're good to go.
Yeah, so we're not talking extremists, we're not talking 20-mile day hikes. Typically age demographic of who you usually hike with?
30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s.
And we got dear old Mom. I'm not going to disclose her age. I may put it right here though. But she keeps Mom out here healthy, and she has been a remarkable friend, and we are so blessed to have her in our lives. Liz, appreciate it, and off to the trail.